Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking another look at ticker symbol MGT. That's Management Capital Investments / McAfee Global Technologies, but that name change never really happens, so we'll just keep calling it Management Capital Investments for now. So the chart we're looking at today is a one-day chart. Each candlestick on this chart is representing 1 day of trading, and it goes back to the initial spike that MGT had on that McAfee news way back a few months ago. Now, there was some terrible news that came out today saying that MGT was going to be delisted effective immediately. So for those of you that don't know, let me discuss what that means for your shares. If your broker doesn't allow you to trade OTC stocks, it simply means that you won't be able to buy any more shares of MGT, but you will be able to most likely sell the shares that you currently have. Now, I'm not guaranteeing anything since I don't know what brokers you guys use and the individual rules that they have. If they're not even American brokers, I don't really know everything about that. But let me say the most common situation is that you will be able to sell your shares, you just won't be able to buy any. And if you can trade OTC with your broker, well, you can sell or buy. Now, there's no guarantee that MGT will even be traded tomorrow. It may not be trading for a few days or even a week. And when it does become traded again, it will be OTC, most likely under a new ticker like MGTQ. So, in other words, there's probably no chance that this thing's going to be trading on the NYSE again. Some people are expecting to be trading this tomorrow on the NYSE, but very, very, very low probability that this thing is going to be traded tomorrow. And if it does, it's most likely going to be OTC already. So with all that said, let's take a look at areas of support where we may see this thing potentially find support or bounce, and we'll just go right through it. So you can see the price on the right-hand side of the screen, and all throughout the screen we have these white lines. These are our pivot points. These are areas of support / resistance, or vice versa. The first one we have right here is $10.10. Moving right below that, we have $1.89. Right below that, we have $1.50, and then we have $1.15. Then we have 80 cents, and then 61 cents. Now, the hardest support is $1, and what would that be? That would be $1.50. $1.50. We were testing multiple times back here when we were in that trading zone, and here where it bounced off. So $1.50 is really good support. At the same time, this news is really bad. It may come crashing down even below that, and we may see it return to the prior levels, which we saw before the MGT news even came out, rather the McAfee news came out all the way back on the 5th, rather 5-9 over here when the news first came out. And that would mean that it crashes all the way down to 80 cents, crashes all the way down to 60 cents, crashes all the way down to 40 cents. Now, if you guys are trying to hold when that happens, just realize how dangerous that really is. It's going to be delisted on the OTC, and even if this thing runs 200% from, say, 60 cents, well, you're getting to about $1.50. And if you're holding shares from $3, $4, or $5, you're still in a major loss. It might be better to cut your loss now while you can. I'm not giving you any sort of recommendation or anything like that, just my opinion. So I wish you guys the best of luck if you are holding MGT. It's unfortunate that it's come to this, but at the same time, there's been a lot of bad publicity coming out about this company, a lot of lawsuits and that sort of thing. So can't say it was a big surprise, really. What is surprising to me is that they're delisting it so quickly. The press release said that the delisting is effective immediately. Usually when a stock is getting delisted, you have a bit of a heads up. You have an actual date, and the stock will resume trading, and then when it hits that date, it'll be delisted. For MGT, we just know that it's going to be delisted effective immediately. So most likely, like I said earlier in this analysis, the most probable outcome is that MGT won't be trading for a few days to a week or so, and when it resumes trading, it's going to be on the OTC market. Wish you guys the best of luck. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good day.